Day 5, we are here with you at the water. I did not show you the walk in because the tide is coming in. It's a little high. I'll show you that now. Hey there and good morning and welcome to the beautiful day 4. Day 3 was awful, everybody. We came here, things were perfect. It wasn't too hot, no water. I mean, we had a little bit of water at the very end of the walkway, but we were going to get some good work done, so we went and got a few more logs because in day 2 we brought a bunch more logs down here and we made the walkway much more robust. And then in day 3 we were just bringing a few more logs down here for when we cleared the brush. We had some to lay out to stand on to continue on. And by the time we got about the 3rd log down here, bottom fell out of it. It started raining. I was so upset. Anyway, so we're not going to hesitate or waste a lot of time today. We're not going to worry about a fire. We're not going to worry about bringing more logs down yet. We're going to go down and clear some brush because we got a pretty clear pathway down here today. From what I can tell, it looks like there's even less water there right now than there was yesterday when it started raining. But high tide is coming in, so we are racing against the clock. You will see the water start to come in today as we film, and that'll be a good thing for you to see and for me to see too. So we're getting ready to get busy to it. We're going to take the pole saw off of the yard tools, the Ryobi, and put the brush cutter on, walk out to the end there and cut some pathway. We'll bring y'all back to probably walk y'all out there first before we begin and show y'all the conditions, and then we'll do that in picture, and then we'll do some work and come back and give you an update. Thank you for joining us. All right, we're about 5 hours away from high tide now, and let's show you the conditions. You see we dry. Let's walk out there. It might be a little slippery. I'm gonna have to be careful. I need to work on the beginning there. That sunk down on me a little, not bad. See, we got some pretty, well, that needs some work. We're pretty solid here, and we're getting to the water now. Alright. So we do have some obstacles to deal with in here still. And we're getting ready to start dealing with them right now. Let's go ahead and get a look at this. We'll kind of watch this water come up, I assume, for the next few hours while we're here working. Alright, y'all, we have made some progress. Our yard tools are filthy and locking up almost. We're going to have to clean them and take them apart. But we did make some progress, as you should be able to see. We're going to see if we can, tide is coming in. There's water right here right now where there was none all the way to the end of the boards when we got here. But we are going to walk out there and at least show you what we did, if not go past that, because we're kind of past this beginning part, which is one of the lowest parts. So we're about 40% of the way back there that you can see cleared. And so we might try to walk on back and show y'all the water today. I don't know if we're going to be able to get back there or not. It's starting to get deep. But if we walk carefully, we're going to at least get out here to where the ground's a little more firm out here. Said high tide will be in 2 hours, so we're close. Ooh, we just sunk a little. All right, hold on. Here. We did clear on a little further into here. And it looks like we're not going to be able to go through that tree, so we're going to have to go around it. And we're going to walk on through here, y'all, see if we can't take out to the back, I guess. I'm already back here now. Might as well go for it, huh? Let's do it. Now, if y'all see an alligator get me or something, Please tell my family I love them. That ain't a joke. We on the bayou, and the water's coming up and up. And so I'm in shin deep water now. So all this area we still have to go through. I'm not going to keep going. I am going to bring y'all back here through low tide, but I ain't going to come back now. A little bit of stuff to snake through. I just don't want to step down in a hole and ruin my electronics and my boyish good looks and all that stuff. Uh-oh, I just got water in my boot. Doggone it. All right. And here's what we're going to be dealing with, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be coming straight through here. Right through between these two big ones. We'll bend around a little bit, gonna have to. I don't know if we can get a straight shot from here, I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe so. We go ahead and take those trees out there. We could come through here and miss that one. Thing is though, I think we'd be angling back towards the other side of the property, so we're gonna have to check that out too. All right, everybody, so we got a little work done today. We're gonna take it. Probably gonna bring some more logs down here before I go home. But this will be all for day 4, I would think. So, probably gonna upload this one now to you. We got, let's see if it'll let me switch. It won't let me switch cameras. Hold on. I go. Uh-oh. See, here's where it's the worst, right there. Right in here is the worst spot. So I need to get some more logs back here. Definitely have made some progress today. That's where we started. And there's the top of the hill. All right, so we've tweaked the width of the walkway so we could extend the length out almost, about halfway that we've cleared, or nearly that. We are at high tide again now, and as you can see, we do have water all the way up to just about the beginning, if not the beginning of the walkway. That was totally dry when we got here today, about 3 hours ago. So we're really close to high tide right now. Some of those, that walkway towards the end is still even actually floating, so I will need to bring some more down, but I was tired and lazy and didn't want to do anymore, and I'm getting ready to go home. So I'm about to cut to the end of episode 4 right now and tell you bye. All right, everybody, this has been episode 4. We want to thank you for joining us. If you haven't seen episode 1 yet, we want to encourage you to do that. There is a playlist, and you should be able to see that over there to the right now. You can follow that and watch everything in sequence, especially if you set the bell icon. If you're not already a subscriber, we want to encourage you to subscribe. We got a lot of work done today. We are at the top of the hill. This is where Gracie's fence would be. Gracie would be looking down from here. As you can see, we have made some progress well beyond where we have boards laid out. We're going to get some more and kind of string the ones we have out a little more too. And we're going to work on that, and I'll come back to you for day 5. Probably more of the same, making the corduroy road out to where we've already cut. I got to go home and clean the yard tools because they're kind of gummed up from all that muck and mess, you can probably imagine. So we got a good part. We're about 40% of the way, not with the corduroy road, but with what we've cut. We want to thank you for joining us for days 2, 3, and 4. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. Share this for me if you would, with anybody you think might enjoy it. Thank y'all.